I was 17. My father sold me. He said, "This is better for you." I knew it was better for him. The man was older, richer, colder. On our wedding night, he looked at me and said, "You are my wife now." Not my name, not who I was, just wife. Day after day, he called me the same. Wife, bring food. Wife, wash clothes. Wife, clean the floor. I became invisible. I cooked, I cleaned, I obeyed. But I was not me anymore. One evening, I sat alone. I whispered my name, softly, like a secret. I wrote it on paper. Each letter felt alive. I left the paper on the table. The next morning, he saw it. He frowned. "What is this?" I was silent. He read it again. He said the letters slowly. Then he looked at me. "Is this your name?" I nodded. Tears filled my eyes. For the first time, he said it out loud. My name. Not wife, not property, me. The sound broke something inside me. Not pain, not fear, but chains. Day by day, he began to use it. At first, awkward, then softer, then like it had always belonged. And each time, I felt more alive. Because a name is not just letters. It is respect. It is identity. It is freedom. Now I want to ask you, do people see you? Do they call you by your name? Or do they call you only by what you give them? Remember this truth. A name is not a gift. It is your right. Do not let anyone take it from you, because your name is your story, and your story matters.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.